Ils franchissent les Clermontois. Penaud, la longue passe, Raka est décalé. Raka plonge en coin. Le premier essai de ce match est inscrit par les Clermontois. Et franchement, c'est pas volé.
Non, c'est pas volé et c'est remarquablement réalisé. Première brèche. Et derrière, voilà, les avants en l'heure, Camille Lopez, et puis la très belle passe de c'est Damien Penaud qui met sur orbite son 3 carrel. C'est millimétré, c'est parfait, c'est remarquablement réalisé. On parlait de la confiance aussi.
Allez, Jalibert qui va tenter le 50-22, mais ce ballon est récupéré par un Bribis et qui va être transmis maintenant. C'est qui? C'est Kamika qui a pris ce ballon et qui va aller aplatir. Donc que ce soit Tuicuvu. 10 pour Brib.
Benoît, je veux bien qu'il soit content, les joueurs dans le but, mais faut maîtriser tout ça. Hein, tu le dis au staff s'il te plaît.
Et troisième pénalité, joué rapidement par Baptiste Couillou. Troisième pénalité sur mêlée. Nouvel avantage en cours pour les Lyonnais. Gérassi pour Mayanavanua qui va marquer le premier essai de Lyon. Lyon qui, dès le début de cette seconde...
De la franchir. Avec Baptiste Couillou, on avait déjà vu justement en première mi-temps jouer des pénalités rapidement, vouloir mettre du rythme dans son équipe parmi ses joueurs et surtout parce que ça déstabilise la défense du Racing.
Attendez, il y a le 1 et le 2.
Du changement en Malice avec l'entrée en jeu de Baptiste Pesant.
Down this right edge here through Tay Walden putting the kick through. Ratave chasing back. And they pounce on it, Taranaki. Ratumaitavuki-Kneepkens. He may have the first try.
There are no other players from Bay of Plenty in the picture. And it looks as though they've got this 100% right for me from this angle. Before the line, let's see here. Or was it knocked on? Was it knocked on first by the Taranaki player? Florence. Grounding, no problem.
Lord reels it in for Taranaki. Potros. Oh, Kula, second receiver. And Nathan Harris, big front-on contact there. Picked up and taken forward. Ratumaitavuki-Kneepkens. Absolutely brilliant, Taranaki.
Outstanding work. We talked about the halfback running well. Bam, and gone. And there's no way a tight forward. And this is a great left foot step. Inside, I think that was Alteri Black. There was nothing he could do there. Beautifully done, beautifully finished.
Yeah. Contact coming, chased here, not held. And now Daniel Waite shifts to Kini Naholo, putting the foot down. Kini Naholo, he'll go all the way. Absolutely brilliant. Kini Naholo.
Well, it was Stephen Pitt.
Yeah, and I think he's all right to be aggrieved there. We've seen some of those calls going the other way, Tasman the other night against Waikato, but still, he still had a lot to do to finish that.
Pero Feta shifts it on, Tikoisolomone in space. Vereniki Tikoisolomone gets the ball off. In fact, he's got it now, the man of the 23 jumper, brilliant. Absolutely stunning. Oh, he scored a beauty at Pukakura Park, and that's a fantastic...
In here, and you're thinking, has he got the speed? Narawa has a crack. He's not fast enough. This is a wonderful try, and you'd have to say it pretty much seals it. Look at the players in support, though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Taranaki players. No one else in the picture. That tells a story for me, the fact that they've just been better today in key moments. Great to see it, but like you say, when you break it open, you can finish like this.
Knock. Hold it. Let's it go. Now they're a chance down the left edge. Jone Macilai-Tori.
Big man on small man, you see here. The passes weren't that great, but this one, last one here, well, it's a one-on-one in the end. And he's just too big, too strong, Macilai. So great finish.
Yeah, it's a great opportunity for the 25 getting down in the right end of the field.
short of the line once again. They snipe round the edge, driving up towards that line. Just millimetres short now, the Exeter Chiefs from try number 3. Here goes Tuima, and the try is scored immediately. The Exeter Chiefs, they thought they'd scored a try which was going to bring it back to a 3-point ball game when Inad went over. Referee and the touch judges and the TMO spent a long time analysing it, and in the end